Yan na guys, magra-ride na tayo. Nakadalawang ikot tayo sa pila na yun kanina guys eh. Ang haba ng pila. Para tayong nasa MRT, rush hour.
Ay, alam ko.
Yan na guys, malapit na. Limang tao na lang.
Zero.
That's what we expected. It is 23-19. Nitura. Pepito has been all over this venue. Carvalho.
Lain
Is it
naman.
there? They think there was a touch. Mila Vato says no, but we'll check this one out.
Darling.
Yan na guys, yan na guys.
To the challenge.
Yan na guys. Nakakasakay na tayo, makaka-ride sa tayo. Sorry, naka-microphone. Ang ingay ng TV namin.
Elimination round record 8-6. Not the kind
Isa na lang. Excited na ako.
with this group.
Let's go.
Been contenders last few years here.
Nakakabahan na.
The new coach was
Wala na sunod na game dito.
Wala na.
assistant, of course, taking care of the middle blockers primarily.
Bye, nakarap sa
But
rin.
also has been there with that institution, that school. Last man to bring them a championship.
Ito na daw yung roller coaster.
72. Was there a touch?
Oh, yes.
Oh,
Mama ano.
Excited na.
sound.
Piraso pa piraso. Match point.
Pause ko lang.
Pasalubong ng bayan. Pioneer Elastoseal. Cetaphil, the official skincare partner of UAE.
Just for the season that they had.
I mean, really a good season for Adamson. They finished third in their ranking. The reason why they are here in the Final Four. But I know it's heartbreaking for them because they were able to master USD going into this match. They were prepared. They knew that they had to take their game at a much higher level. Coming alive offensively.
And just as a final note,
Standing beside me. Nine receptions with 69% efficiency. The Capitana ng España. That Pepito. Congratulations, you're one step closer. Crucial match ngayon kayo nakakuha ng maraming salamat, Lord. Nakakatawa ng pinupulit ko si Lord. Kahit pa paano, nagsisa pa magawin ka nga ng son. So, ako hindi na ako makakatawag. So, thank you, Lord. Kasi
Lakas ng Enyo ah.
You can say whatever you want. That Pepito, the way he played today, that's what the USD career. If that gets an extension.
It's Centrum Kids Gummies. Special nutrients in fun multivitamin gummies. Ang kids ay hindi na hindi tayo pinipili sa mga ng sakit.
Defending champion ngayon yun.